November 0 Echo, follow traffic on a 1 mile final, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Traffic, runway 26 left, clear to land, Echo.
60 Tango, extend down.
Extend down in circuit 60 Tango.
The option for 83 Delta.
November 7 Mike, Hotel Long Beach Tower, continue for runway 30.
Continue runway 30, 7 Mike, Taxi, the low approach.
Southwest 2676, turn right, kilo, kind of ground to you.
Kilo, got him, good day, Southwest 2676.
7 Mike Hotel, I can't do low approaches on runway 30, so it can be a full stop or a southbound turn.
Maybe a southbound turn with 7 Mike Hotel.
7 Mike Hotel, I'll call your southbound.
You call a southbound turn, 7 Mike Hotel.
We have the option for 83 Delta.
83 Delta, no options after 3 p.m. on the weekends.
Roger.
So we'll come back around for a full stop and then return for takeoff.
Okay. And this time we land how much? How much we land?
We're going to do 2 landings.
Okay.
Maybe just 1. We'll see.
November 83 Delta, turn left at Foxtrot 3 and contact ground to you.
Turn left to Foxtrot 3 and contact ground, 83 Delta.
Oh, gotta wait for that.
November 60 Tango, turn base traffic will be holding in position.
Turn base circuit 60 Tango.
November 7 Mike Hotel, for noise event, start your southbound turn now.
Southbound turn, 7 Mike Hotel.
November 7 Mike Hotel, maintain VFR southbound contact approach on 125.35 to you.
2535, 7 Mike Hotel.
November 5 904, traffic's on the mile final, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Runway 26 left, line up and wait. 515904.
November 1 Mike Echo, traffic 1 o'clock and 2.5 miles southeastbound, 3,500 indicated, frequency change approved to you.
Landing line on.
Frequency change approved, 1 Mike Echo.
November 3rd Echo, no delay off, please turn left at Foxtrot, I guess 4, and then contact ground 2.
No delay, Foxtrot 4, over and ground, Echo.
Copy Tower Cessna 1484 Bravo over Queens Gate at 2,300, going to 2,500 inbound for 26 left.
Go ahead. November 5904, no delay, please, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear to take off, 515904.
November 60 Tango, runway 26 left, to the line.
Runway 26 left, clear to land, circuit 60 Tango.
1 for Bravo, let me start left traffic, runway 26
for
left.
green. Airspeed, alive.
26 left for
55
Bravo.
knots rotate.
For Bravo, stay position, item.
Hi Dan, I'm at over Queens Gate. Come for 26 left.
For 76.
For Bravo, traffic a mile to your west, converging 2,700, indicated type unknown.
Look for traffic, for Bravo.
For Bravo, just turn to the north for left traffic 26 left, they should go behind you.
Turn to the north, for Bravo.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 5513 Lima at 3,300 feet at Queensgate, requesting runway 26 left with information Sierra.
November 5513 Lima, Long Beach Tower, left traffic, runway 26 left. Traffic 2 miles east of you, northbound 2,800 is traffic, you're following them.
Traffic in sight, 13 Lima.
700 feet, left turn.
November 60 Tango, turn left Foxtrot 3 and contact ground 2.
The Foxtrot 3, contact ground, Cherokee 60 Tango.
Route and left turn. And 1100 feet, level flight, pitch, power adjust, and trim adjust.
November 594, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 26 left, 51594. It's too fast. Before landing checklist, landing light on, carpet on, register reach, full telemetry both. Before landing checklist complete. Power reduce, and below 110 flap 10.
November 84 Bravo, follow traffic just to your right in the downwind, runway 26 left, clear to land.
6 left, clear to land, follow traffic for Bravo. Traffic inside for Bravo.
85 knots, flap 20. Oh. Left turn. knots. Is power. Maintain 7.
Long Beach Tower, number 1970 Foxtrot, 1,500 feet above the Queen Mary, inbound for 26 left with Sierra.
177 Foxtrot, Long Beach Tower, you can fly to Queen Mary left traffic 26, or sorry, fly to Signal Hill for left traffic 26 left.
Roger, Signal Hill for 26 left, left traffic, Foxtrot.
Power idle.
November 13 Lima, fall traffic on a mile on runway 26 left, clear to land.
Looking for the traffic, clear to land, 26 left, 13 Lima.
November 594, contact ground.
Contact ground 5904. At landing checklist, landing light on, carpeting, flaps up, mixture lean, and contact ground. Long Beach ground, Cessna 515904, Foxtrot 3, request, taxi runway 26 left.
November 51594, Long Beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot 515904.
Very good.
Thank you. This time we go to practice area.
Well, we're going to do one more trip around the pattern, okay?
One more traffic, okay.
Slow down here a little bit.
Yep.
So go ahead and request left close traffic again.
Yeah.
Service ground Cessna 148 for Bravo, clear of 26 left at Foxtrot 3, requesting taxi to Maverick.
November 148 for Bravo, Long Beach ground, taxi to Maverick via Foxtrot.
Taxi via Foxtrot to Maverick, 8 for Bravo.
Ground 1880 Alpha, I-4 Canyon Lines, Moab.
Clearance is on 118.15.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 515904, holding short runway 26 left, requesting to make left traffic.
Flying final 4, let me check, standby.
Long Beach Tower, Skyhawk 5383 Delta, holding short of runway 26 left at Foxtrot 1 for a northwest bound departure.
November 83 Delta, Long Beach Tower, standby. I'm sorry, November 83 Delta, which direction?
Northwest bound.
On to Lima, kind of ground.
Contact ground 13 Lima.
Tower November 152 Whiskey Alpha, just departed out of 410, looking for 26 right with Sierra.
Tower 120.5.
One Tower, Southwest 179, turn at final 30.
South 179 Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear line.
Clear land 30, Southwest 179.
Long Beach Tower, November 152 with the Alpha, just departed out of Fullerton, requesting 26 right with Sierra.
Yeah, November 152 Whiskey Alpha, Towers 120.5.
120.5 to Whiskey Alpha.
November 5904, runway 26 left, line of point.
5904, runway 26 left, line up and wait. Light and transponder 1200, extra reach.
November 7 Fox, North Foxtrot 3, kind of ground to
Foxtrot 3, Contact ground, have a good day, South Foxtrot.
November 594 left, close traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, make left, cross traffic, clear to take off, 594.
November 83 Delta, runway 26 left, line of point.
Engine instruments or green,
Runway 26 left, line of point.
your speed alive, 55 knots rotate.
November 83 Delta, depart straight out, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, cleared to take off, 83 Delta, depart straight out.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 5513 Lima, Foxtrot, or holding short 26 left, left close traffic.
551 Lima, line short, standby.
Tower UPS 7806, ILS 30.
UPS 7806 Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land.
UPS
7806, clear land 30.
13 Lima, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Left coast traffic approved.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, 13 Lima.
Route and left turn. Uh, 1100 feet, level flight, pitch, power, adjust.
November 594, extend downwind traffic on a 5 mile final runway 30, Boeing 757.
Extend downwind, runway 26 left, 515 904.
UPS 78806 traffic 11 o'clock and 4 miles eastbound on the down runway 26 left is a Cessna. They'll turn base to follow you through the intersection.
UPS 7806, what's the traffic?
594 traffic in sight.
South 179, turn right, kilo, and kind of ground, see ya.
Kilo ground, Victor reach, full selected air boss, people landing checklist complete.
No one to Lima, just confirm you're in the pattern, and if you are, squawk VFR.
We're in the pattern, VFR 1 to Lima.
November 594 base approved, runway 26 left clear.
Base turn, runway 26 left, 515 904.
Don't wait till he's done talking before you
No
call.
one to Lima, extend down.
Flow
Extend down,
left
113
turn, and left turn.
And then always say the runway as well, okay? Clear to land, runway 26 left. But let him finish speaking.
Down 26
By
left with
mistake.
Sierra.
Number 968 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, left traffic 26 left.
Traffic 26 left, 968 Whiskey Charlie.
November 83 Delta, in the future, if I tell you to depart straight out, I need you to just stay straight out because you went into the other tower there, so I got to let them know if you're going to do that. Frequency change approval too.
Frequency change approved, sorry about that.
November 1 through Lima, follow traffic on a mile final runway 26 left, clear to land.
Following traffic, clear to land 26 left, 13 Lima.
UPS 7806, turn right, Gulf, kind of ground, see ya.
Yes, 7806, right turn on Golf, switching ground.
Long Beach Tower, helicopter 850, Mike Hotel, 5 south of Donda going to Maverick with Sierra.
President Mike Long Beach Tower, south of Dondo is approved, landing Maverick, set your own risk.
Look my own risk, sir, Mike Hotel.
Okay, 594, go around.
Yep. Now?
Now.
Okay. Full power, carpet in, medium pitch, flap 20. Missing over 16 flaps 10, 7 knots, flap 0. Runway Tower Cessna 515-904 for a round.
November 594, follow Piper over Signal Hill.
Follow Piper over Signal Hill, 515-904.
And Long Beach Tower, 594, request left turn at the river.
594, approved.
594. Okay, go straight out and turn left at the river, okay? Climb and maintain 3,000.
November 5 Tango X-ray, Long Beach Tower, approved on the way, please, runway 26 left, first takeoff.
Runway 26 left, first takeoff. And can you confirm that Los Alamitos Tower traffic is closed?
Showing them closed. November 8 Whiskey Charlie, follow traffic on a mile final, just kind of ahead into your left, runway 26 left, center line.
This is for that traffic, I'll follow them.
If it's okay with you, can we close that?
It was Charlie, just be careful in the downwind over there. If you follow the freeway, it'll take you too far south and you'll be in conflict with 30 arrivals. You want that downwind to be north of Signal Hill.
That's okay.
Roger that, 968 Whiskey Charlie.
Climate VY.
No, I remake VY. But this plane maximum RPM is over there.
Okay, here, let's have full power. We're climbing, okay? Always climb with full power and climb at VY.
Yeah.
RPM is fine.
Okay.
Okay. And VY is how fast? What speed?
76.
Okay.
5 Tango X-ray, requesting a left turn to the downwind.
Approved. November 8 Whiskey Charlie, turn base.
Turning base, 968 Whiskey Charlie.
Make left turn. Climb check race, landing light off, engine full power, mixture reach, full selected variable bus.
Climb at VY.
VY.
Let's get that altitude.
Yeah.
Good.
Climb check race complete.
594, free change proof it.
594, roger.
515-904, change frequency.
November 5 Tango X-ray, free change proof it.
Okay. Let's turn right to 200 degrees.
Yep. 200 degrees.
Let's climb at VY 76, okay?
Yeah. On the feet, level flight.
Very good.
Gauge. Power.
Long Beach practice area, Cessna 846, Sierra Papa. Last call over Queensgate, Long Beach practice area at 2,900 feet.
Okay, whenever you're ready, let's do slow flight.
Do slow
Straight
flight.
ahead.
Yep. First clearing turn.
Yep.
Yep. Left check. Done. Out. Left check. Right check. Right turn. Out. Slow flight. Flap extend slow flight.
Pardon me?
Flap extend slow flight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I understand. And landing light on. Carpet on. Power 1500. Left rudder. Low 110 flap 10. Low 76 flap 20. Low 70 flap sorry. Power to 2000. Paying 55.
Okay, very good. Let's go back to straight and level.
Recover.
Let's recover from.
Yep.
Yeah, recover to straight and level.
power. Carpet in. Medium pitch flap 20. 60 flap 10. And 70 flap 0. And landing light up. Pitch and power adjust.
And let's turn left to 060 degrees.
060 degrees.
Always on. Very good. But let's just go straight here. This is fine. And let's do a power off stall.
Power off stall. Yep. Keep clearing turn.
Yes.
Yep. Landing light on. Carpet on.
You just go ahead and look. You know, make sure that nobody. Look left and look right.
Yeah.
And then go ahead with your power off stall.
Okay. Yep. Nobody. Landing light on. Carpet on. Power 1500. Low 110 flap 10. Low 80 flap 20. Low 70 flap sorry. And pitch down for 65. Power idler and pitch up. Power, carpet in, medium pitch flap 20, 50 knots flap 10, 70 knots flap 0, recover, and landing light off.
And always go into a climb on the recovery, okay?
Yeah, 90 knots.
So, but you can stay at 3,000 feet right now.
3,000 feet.
And whenever you're ready, let's do a power on stall straight ahead.
Power on stall, yep. Radio car?
Just look around.
Okay. Yep, nobody. Power on stall, landing light on, carpet on, power 1300. rudder. Up. For 55 knots. knots per power, carpet in, pitch up. Door. Cover.
And go right into a climb.
Yeah.
Once you have the speed, climbing back. And you can level off here. And whenever you're ready, let's do a steep turn 360 degree turn to the left, okay?
To the left?
Yeah.
Yep. My altitude is 3,000.
Let's make that to the right. We have traffic over here.
Okay.
We'll make a steep turn 360 to the right.
Yep. Then steep turn to the right. Right check. Yep. Nobody?
Nobody.
Right turn. 30 degrees. Add power.
Okay, very good.
Yep.
Let's do one to the left.
To the left? Yep. Nobody. Altitude set. 3,100. Left turn. 3,000 degrees. Power. 45 degrees.
Okay, that's very good.
Adjust.
And let's turn left to 270 degrees.
27 degrees.
Okay, so now, if you have smoke coming up from underneath the the panel here, you would have either electrical fire or an engine fire. What would you do?
Engine fire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or smoke. Smoke in the cockpit right now.
In the cockpit?
Yes.
It is electrical fire.
Yeah?
Yeah. Then also switch off and avionics power switch off and all lights and radios off and vent close and fire extinguish.
So in the meantime, flames are coming up here. What shouldn't we get down?
Sorry, I couldn't understand.
Do you know what an emergency descent is?
Emergency descent?
Yeah.
Yep, I know.
Let's do one.
Good.
This is an emergency I mean, I got a fire burning my feet,
Yeah.
my legs, I need to do an emergency descent.
Power idle. 5 degrees.
Okay, very good. Let's go straight ahead here and level off.
Yep. Level flight.
Stay around 2,000 feet if you can. 2,000 feet?
2,000 feet. Okay.
Okay, very good. Right now, the engine has failed.
Engine failed.
Your airplane?
Then maintain my airplane for 65 knots. And find the best place to land. I think Long Beach is the best place to land.
Okay, whatever you want, whatever you decide.
Yep. I will head to beach. Then I will restart the engine. Go straight to Long Beach.
But on the beach down there or something? Where are you going to touch down?
The beach, the sand.
Sand? Okay.
Yeah. And
okay then, continue on down to 1,000 feet, but let's do turns around a point around the lighthouse there.
left turn.
And let's do about 90 knots.
90 knots.
80. Let's say 80 knots and maintain 1,000 feet.
And now turn around point.
We're going to do ground reference maneuvers at 80 knots and 1,000 feet. I want to do turns around a point.
Yeah. Power?
Well, we want to maintain 1,000 feet.
Yeah, okay.
We're still going to go down to 1,000.
1,000.
And then just do turns around a point.
I will go there and return to this turnaround point.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take left turn. I will make turnaround point.
good. Let's do S-turns going down that way over the breakwater. So
Okay.
just continue your turn.
Yep.
And let's just do S-turns going down there. Let's go that. We're going to do S-turns that way, okay? Very good.
Yep.
Let's do a couple of those.
Marine. Roll out. And roll in.
Okay, very good. Let's go straight ahead.
Straight.
Yeah, let's just go straight ahead here.
Yeah.
Let's climb to 2000 and go back to Long Beach Airport.
Okay. Fly. Carpeting. Full power for 76. Engine light off.
Back to Long Beach Airport, okay?
Yeah.
Let's head towards Queens Gate. That's how you go to Long Beach Airport.
Okay.
Going to be at Queens Gate at 2,000 feet, okay?
Yep.
And
I remain. Roll out. 2,000 feet. Level flight. Power. Beam adjusted. And contact tower. Tower.
first you got to listen to ATIS.
Yeah. Sorry.
with position and departure point. Ground traffic Q's 133.0. Notice to airmen, bird activity in vicinity of airport. Runway 30 approach lighting out of service. Cranes 0.2 nautical miles northeast.
Just circle over Queens Gate until you get ATIS, okay?
Set up below 160 feet AGL. Advise on initial contact. Give information uniform. Long Beach Airport information uniform 00530, wind 3008, visibility 7, sky clear, temperature 19, dew point 14, altimeter 29907, ILS 1830 approaching use, landing runway 30, runway 26 left, runway 26 right, tower frequency for all aircraft 119.4, advise which runway you request, all departing aircraft contact clearance delivery prior to taxiing on 118.15 with position and departure point, ground traffic Q's 133.0, notice to airmen, bird activity in vicinity of airport, runway 30 approach lighting out of service. Cranes 0.2 nautical miles northeast set up below 100 feet AGL. 0.4 nautical miles west set up below 160 feet AGL. Advise on initial contact. Give information uniform. Long Beach Airport information uniform 00530, wind 3008, visibility 7, sky clear, temperature 19, dew point 14, altimeter 29907, ILS 1830 approaching use, landing runway 30, runway 26 left, runway 26 right. Tower frequency for all aircraft 119.4. Advise which runway.
The tower. Long Beach Tower, Cessna 515904 over Queens Gate, 2,000 feet. Request make left traffic. Runway 26 left.
Cessna 51594 Long Beach Tower, make left traffic runway 26 left.
Make left traffic runway 26 left, 51594.
You always want to tell them you have the information.
Uniform. I
Yeah, you didn't tell them.
Yeah.
Tower, Cherokee 053 Ultra 26 left traffic.
November 11
And you
Quebec,
always-
Kilo 2, underground.
You always want to go to the Queen Mary
Queen Mary.
to go into Long Beach.
53 Long
okay.
Beach Tower, I'll call your crosswind runway 26 left, Ortega.
Everything up 26 left, you call the ground line.
Yeah, always go to the Queen Mary and then go into Long Beach Airport. Okay?
I understand. Heading very set. Here. Then check east. Come and left set clear. Stairs clear. Clear reach. Clear carbide on. And airspeed 90 knots. Throttle 1800. Right turn.
Cherokee 853, make an early crosswind or extend up one.
We'll make an early cross, 1853.
Cessna 594, you're going to be following traffic in the early crosswind turn climbing out of 600 Cherokee.
Say again 5904.
Number 594, you're going to be following a Cherokee in the early crosswind climbing out of 700 feet.
Looking for Cherokee 5904.
Okay, he's turning crosswind right pretty much in front of us.
Yeah. Oh, did you see him?
I don't see.
Oh, over there.
Okay, tell the tower traffic and
Number Tower 515 traffic inside.
Cherokee 853, runway 26 left, clear to land.
slow down.
Yeah, 53.
Number 594, number 2, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Roger, number 2, 5 cleared land. Roger, 904, number 2 cleared land, runway 26 left. Listen for your number, okay?
Yeah.
And then respond right away.
The second.
1100 feet your pattern altitude.
Okay. Clear flight. Full landing checklist. Glide on. Carpet on. Mixture reach. Full selectable bus. Full landing checklist. Complete. And we first stop.
Yes,
Okay. Power reduce.
See your traffic?
Yeah. Right there. Below 110. Left 10. Over 45 degrees. Return.
Did say clear to land 26 left, right?
Yeah. 3 knots, step 20. Oh, sun's closing. Then final time. Power reduce. First time to land in the light airport.
Yeah, it's getting dark pretty early these days.
Yes.
And next week the time changes.
Okay.
Instead of being 6:20 now, it's going to be 5:20.
75
Turkey 53 left turn Foxtrot 3, gonna go.
I got it, 53.
5 knots. Wow, so beautiful.
Palm Beach Tower, Skyhawk 55291, holding short, runway 26 left, awaiting IFR release.
Number 55291, Long Beach Tower, roger, hold for release.
Hold for release, 291.
Reduce. Alright.
Number 594 left turn on to Foxtrot 3, gonna go.
Contact ground 515904.
November 2901, runway 26
Back
left.
to Long Beach Flying Club.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 291.
Landing. Off. Stop. Long Beach ground Cessna 515904, Foxtrot 3, request taxi, Long Beach Flying Club.
Number 51594 Long Beach Ground, taxi to Long Beach Flying Club via Foxtrot.
Long Beach Flying Club, taxi via Foxtrot, 515904. Left turn. Okay.
You can turn on your taxi light.
Light.
That way everybody can see you.
November 80 Alpha, cross runway 26 left at Juliet 2, continue via Foxtrot, Delta.
Cross 26 left at Juliet 2, then continue on Foxtrot and Delta, 1880 Alpha.
Long Beach ground number
Slow down a little bit.
2235, 830 to 8, I'd like to taxi at 26 right with Renault.
November 2235 Victor Long Beach Ground, runway 26 right, taxi via Aquila.
26 right via Kilo, Victor.
November 80 Alpha, towers on 119.4, connect.
19-4, 1880 Alpha, bye.
Touchdown check. Raise it. 1000. Bionic switch off.